Thousands of people have gathered in Warsaw to protest the signing of a new treaty enforcing intellectual property rights on the internet.
I don't need to know what you do when nobody's watching. I don't want to know what information you share or who you share it with. I don't care. It's not my business.
You have something to hide. Maybe you shouldn't be doing it to begin with.
Whenever someone says, I'm not concerned about invasion of privacy, I've done nothing wrong, I've got nothing to hide, I make them a simple proposition. I give them my email address, and I say to them, I dare you to give me the passwords to all of your email accounts. You've got nothing to hide, you've done nothing wrong, you're not a bad person. Why do you have any secrets to keep? Nobody has taken me up on that dare.
We're told that it's normal that somebody may have access to our personal information, personal correspondence, personal data. But it's not true. We don't have to give up our privacy. We should fight for the liberty. We should fight for the security.
Imagine a world in which you and only you decide what part of your life belongs to you.
To those who can hear me, I say, don't give up. The fake leaders' time will pass, and the oppression will die. And the privacy they have taken from us will be regained by us. We're not machines. We're human beings, and only we have the power to make our lives wonderful and free. Only we have the power to turn our lives into an unforgettable adventure. Let us use this power, and in the name of our privacy, let us all unite!